Hello beautiful people, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use Klaviyo. Klaviyo is one of the best email marketing platforms around, and since recently they have also started to offer SMS marketing and push notifications. The thing that I like about Klaviyo is whether you're a complete beginner and you want to get into marketing, or you're a professional or intermediate, you'll still find numerous tools on this platform that will help to enhance your business. And you can also get started for completely free. All you will need to sign up is your email address and your website URL. And if you don't know what the website URL is, that is basically the www.com section right here. That is your website URL. So that's all you need, your email address and your website URL for verification purposes, and you'll be able to connect Klaviyo to your website. And on their free plan, you will get access to 250 active profiles, and you can send over 500 monthly emails, and you can also start doing some SMS marketing, as you will be given 150 monthly SMS credit. And you can also see that the free plan includes email support for 60 days. And if you would like to go up to their paid plan, it starts off at $15 per month, and the most expensive paid plan is $20 per month, as you can see right here. So overall, it is very reasonable for the different features that you'll be getting access to. Once you have signed up, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And normally I would go through the sign up process with you, but for this sparing of time, instead of wasting your time, I've already done that. So once you have signed up, you will be led to a dashboard just like this. And you want to pay attention to the left-hand menu option. The first thing you could do, you could create an email campaign by tapping on campaigns. If you don't want to do that and you would like to, for example, create emails for different purposes, and you would like to create a flow of emails, so you'll basically send your customers or your subscribers emails at different intervals, you could tap on flows. After tapping on flows, you can see different templates that you can choose from right here. So for example, you can select abandoned cart if you have an e-commerce store, or you can select browse abandoned, customer thank you, or if you would like to create one from scratch, you could tap on create flow in the top right hand corner. You can also select options, and from there you can view archive flow if you have already had archive flow. Or if you like to view all ideas, you could tap on view all ideas in the top right hand corner. And from here you will see the different templates that you can choose from. So you can scroll down, you can see the customer thank you, the standard right here. So let's say for example I would like to create one, for example for new versus return. So I'll tap right here. After you have done that, you can see right here, you can see the flow right here, so you can see how it looks. Then you can tap on create flow. After you have selected create flow, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, if you like to add anything more to it, you can by going over to the left hand menu option. Once on this page, if you like to add anything more to the flow, all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, and you could drag and place it right here. But at the moment, you can see the first trigger is when someone placed an order. Then we're going to wait 1 day. After we have waited 1 day, from here you can see as place order equals to 1 overall time. And after we have waited 1 day, from there you can see your what makes us great. We'll be sending them this email after 1 day. Then after that, you can scroll down and you can add something more if you want. So for example, if you would like to send them something else after the 1 day, you can also do that. So for example, I would like to send one more email. All I'd have to do is simply drag and place the email right here where you see the plus. So I'm going to be sending them one more email right there. And from there, I could select the time that I would like to send the email. You can see this email will be sent on day 1. If you would like to change it from day 1, you can do that. You can tap on the 3 dots right there. And from there, you could tap on edit. After you have tapped on edit, you're going to give it a few seconds. And from there, you'll be able to edit the content as you can see right here. So this is how it looks at the moment. You can see the flow content. You can change whatever you want right here. So this is how it looks at the moment. Once the flow is to your liking, you'll simply tap on done in the top right hand corner. And after you have tapped on done, from there you can tap on update action status to get it active. So let's go back real quick as I'll be showing you some other features of Klaviyo. So we're going to go back to the main page, and from here you can also create email campaigns. So you could tap on campaigns right here. After you have tapped on campaigns, you will be led to this dashboard, and from here you can use SMS depending on which country or region you are located in, or you could tap on create campaign in the top right hand corner. Then you can choose the campaign name, and we'll be selecting email, so we're going to tap on email right there. Then we're going to tap on save and continue. After you have tapped on save and continue, you will be redirected to this page. From here you can scroll down and you could choose the persons that you would like to send it to. After you have chosen the persons that you would like to send it to, if you would like to turn on tracking, you can do that, and you'll simply tap on continue to content in the bottom right hand corner. After tapping on continue to content, you can select the different templates that they provide, and from there you'll be able to continue your email marketing. Now let's say, for example, you would like to add a Klaviyo sign up form to your website. All you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, tap on sign up forms. Then you are going to be redirected to a new page. On this new page, from here you can see the different templates that you can choose from. So you can scroll down and you can see the different sign up templates that you can choose from right here. Let's say I liked this one, I could simply tap on it. After you have tapped on it, from there you can see create your order discount name, and you can choose your email list right there. So you could choose your email list right there. After you have done that, let me do that real quick. So if I were to tap right there, then tap on create form, you'll be redirected to a new page on which you'll be able to edit your pop-up. Once on this page, you'll be able to make any changes you want. So you could go over to the left hand menu option, tap on styles. By tapping on styles, from there, if you don't want it to be a pop-up, you can change it. So you could select embed or full page, and you can also scroll down. If you would like to add it to the left side, you can do that. You can increase the image size, you can change the background color. You have numerous editing options as you can see right here. Once you're finished, you can tap on step at the top of the page, and from there you could add a second step. So you can add a second step if you want. After you have done that, if you would like to do that, you can simply tap on publish in the top right hand corner to publish your sign up form. But we won't be doing that at the moment, so I'll simply tap on exit. After selecting exit, once we're on the main dashboard, I will continue showing you some other features of Klaviyo. Klaviyo also offers subscriber segmenting, and this is basically the ability to part your different subscribers. So for example, you can select subscribers that have made a purchase already, and you can also, as you can see right here, engaged in the last 90 days, and then you can also segment them with new subscribers, so you'll be able to separate the different subscribers better yet, and you can see where they are on your email flow. So this is very good for organization purposes, and it also helps you to better target your customers instead of just feeding everyone the same emails. And that's basically it. You can also create coupons using Klaviyo, and you can also access their different templates and so on, image branding and so on. And you can also use them for SMS. But at the moment, I'm currently located in Jamaica and they don't offer the SMS feature in Jamaica, so it doesn't make sense me clicking on it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.